Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
The queen was sitting on a throne. Two boys came with gifts. They stood in a queue. The boy gave her a quill and queen said, "Thanks. Be thankful to others."
Let's meet with new sounds.
Quack, quack, quack.
Let's do actions with me.
The ducks in the pond say quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. The ducks in the pond say quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. The ducks in the pond say quack, quack, quack. All around the pond.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Queen, quill, queue, quack, quack, queen, quack, quack, quill, quack, quack, queue. Dear kids, what do you know about the quills? How many boys in the queue?
see you in the next lesson.